Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to deactivate Agoda listing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to deactivate your listing in Agoda, you just simply have to open your Agoda application at first. Then, after opening the Agoda application, just simply tap into this More button at the bottom right corner. And from there, you will get the option of Host on Agoda Homes. Just simply tap into that Host on Agoda Homes option, and after tapping into there, you will get to see your list at very first. As you can see here, there are three categories into listing. The first one is unfinished, and the second one is active, and the last is deactivated. Now, in order to deactivate your list, you just simply have to go into this active section first, and after going into active section, just simply select the list which you want to deactivate, and then after that click to edit button. Then just simply tap into deactivate the list and the list will be deactivated. This way you can easily deactivate Agoda listing. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.